Well, hello everybody and welcome to Knife Delights. I'm so excited. Yes. Oh, Terrill Schneider has been leaving comments saying, watch your mail, watch your mail, watch your mail. And I keep saying, Terrill, we've had a blizzard. You know, mail's been delayed like for 2 days. But I've been watching and watching. I didn't even sleep last night. I sat in the chair by the window watching, Terrill. But hey, it finally came in this morning. Here it is. I'm going to unbox it. I know that this came from J.O. Ventures Outdoors. Gee, what could it be coming from John? Oh, and I got my, look at this knife. This is that roper knife that the Pecos that RJ loaned to me to review, and I've been using it, RJ. You better believe it. Let's open this up carefully. Oh, carefully. Let's be careful here. Okay. So far, so good. Haven't cut myself yet. Let me see here. Okay, now we can get on there good. Here we go. Being careful, I don't want to cut what's inside. Got multiple layers of tape. Oh, here we go. Here we go. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. My goodness. Look at this. Oh my goodness. Oh, yes. A Scout Carry sheath. And we got a note here. It says, Tom, I asked John to make a custom sheath for you and a few other creators as a way of saying thanks for your special kindness. Terrill Schneider, God bless you. Oh, well, God bless you, Terry. Oh, my goodness. Look at that. Look at that sheath. Got a buck on both sides. Wow. Wow. Just wow, Terry. Thank you so much. Now I am going to have to go find a knife to fit this to. Well, wait a minute. We got another note in here. I'm so excited. I just can't hide it. Okay, Tom. Terry commissioned me to make you a side draw sheath for a large toothpick pattern knife. It may also fit other models. Enjoy. John from J.O. Ventures Outdoors. Well, you better believe I'm going to enjoy this. Now let me go see if I can find some knives that'll fit this. And oh, look at this. A J.O. Ventures Outdoors coaster. Oh boy. Folks, if you haven't subscribed to John here at J.O. Ventures, you've got to go to that channel and hit that subscribe button. Smash it. Hit that notification bell. He's working towards 400 subs, and we're trying to get him there. And I know he's got a fantastic giveaway for 400 subs. So hang on just a minute while I go try to find some knives here. Okay, I'm back, and I got me some, well, I only have one true large toothpick knife, and it's by Ideal. This is an old budget knife toothpick. Let's see how this goes. Oh yeah, that's nice and snug. Look at that. Oh, perfect. Perfect, perfect. Sorry about the furnace in the background. It's well, the last I look, it's about -2 here. So that furnace is running a lot, and I want to get this video done, so I'm not waiting. So please excuse the furnace sound. Okay, next. Now this is not a toothpick, but it's a fish knife. But it's on the same powder horn pattern as what a toothpick would be. The only difference is with this knife, it has a second blade with the scaler and hook degorger there. So, but other than that, it's exactly the same as a toothpick. Well, let's see how we go here. Oh yeah, there you go, nice and snug. Nice and snug. Either way, perfect. Wow. And what else do I have here? Now I have a single-bladed fish knife, and this is a classic. This is a Hammer brand, and this is from about 1938 to 1941, and I love this knife. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Another single blade. Let's see how she goes. Oh, look at that. Look at that. Oh, it is in there snug. Although I think the single blades, I'd have to be a little careful not to push them in too far because they're thin. But hey, perfect. What else do I got here? I think I got one more. Oh yeah, this is a Camco. This is a Camco two-bladed fish knife. You can see it's in pretty rough condition. But again, this one has the bottle opener, scaler, and hooked gorger there on the end. And then we got this blade, and it's a little proud. Gee, maybe someone I know knows how to grind that kick down just a little bit. Might have to try that on this knife. Clean it up. So yeah, this is the Camco fish knife. You bet. You bet. Nice and snug in there. Well, Terry, John, you gave me an incentive to go ahead and purchase a full-size toothpick knife now. Other than these fish knives and this one Ideal, all my other toothpicks are like the small ones or a medium one. So I'm going to have to get me a full-size toothpick now. I just know it. Now, for everyone's information, iteration, John made me this sheath, and it's been many months ago, and he and I did a collaboration. I had this buck caper knife. What is it, model 115 or 16? It's got the reverse tang on it, the 116. And I bought this in an antique store, and I did not have a proper sheath for it, and he made me this scout carry sheath for it. Very beautiful. Very beautiful. Yeah. So, John, you're doing beautiful work. Terry, thank you so much for this gift. I'll treasure it. I'll remember you every time I wear it. And I know there's at least one other channel that received one of these. There may be another one yet. Just gorgeous. What can I say? Before I close out this video, I do have a little something I want to share with everybody, but you got a pinky swear, okay? Everybody, put your pinky in there. You got a pinky swear here. You cannot tell RJ this. Do not tell RJ. RJ has a live stream every Sunday at 12:30 Central, 10:30 Pacific. So this Sunday, when I see you on the live stream, do not tell RJ that I lost his knife. Oh, well, I misplaced his knife, because as you can see, I found it. But if you'd have been in my house last night, you would have been laughing at me. Mrs. Knife Delights was like, Tom, what are you panicking about? I said, RJ's knife, honey. I can't find it. I can't find it. Oh, no. Oh. No. Please, everyone, do not tell RJ that I lost his knife. Oh my goodness, I've been carrying this Pecos of his for about 2 weeks, and I've been enjoying it, and I can't wait to do a full review on this knife. But oh, the fun we have, but I certainly was in full panic mode. Shh, don't tell RJ.